So what's going on, YouTube? I'm Barry Was here, and this video is kind of turned into something different. Um, so it was going to be me showing you basically all the issues I've been having with Pop! OS. However, I'm just going to show you some of the clips of me struggling with Pop! OS. Not specifically struggling in the long sense, just the issues I've been having. Specifically, me having to reinstate my drives every single time I have to restart my computer. 2, my computer locking and then rebooting. You didn't really see that one, but you did see the issue that I'm going to be talking about, and that's my keyboard and my mouse don't really respond all that well when it boots back up. So that's an issue. And 2, or 3, or 4, or 5, or 6, I have about 7 issues. But these are the ones that are deal breakers for me. The third one, I didn't get it to fail, even though it has failed on me multiple times, and I'm sick of the other 2 issues, which are the having to reinstate the drives and basically Pop! OS locking up when it reboots from sleep. So those 2 issues are in here, and those 2 are huge deal breakers for me. So just watch the video and have a good one, guys. So Pop! OS, let's talk about it. I hate it. Few glaring issues for me. I'll show you guys one of them. All right, well, let's talk about a few of them. Every time my computer locks, my keyboard and my mouse are technically unresponsive. They are responsive, but it's like 35 seconds delayed. And that's a no-go for me. 2, when you hit the numpad lock, it should stay on. I have to hit it 3 freaking times. 1, right now, for unlocking the encryption. 2, to log in. And the third one is if I want to punch any numbers into actual title fields or anything like that. I dislike that with a passion. 3 times, guys. 2, I can understand because you're unlocking the encryption and it unencrypts everything. I can understand that. But the third one's kind of annoying. One of the biggest issues I have with Pop is what I'm going to show you. Seriously, it just did that. I just opened Blue Recorder. I've used Blue Recorder plenty of times, guys. Sorry for the yelling and all that stuff. Pop! OS is a freaking disaster. Open Blue Recorder again. Record. Share. Ah! It did it again. It did it again! I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to do this. Oh my gosh, it actually worked. But now I don't know what screen I used. Just come on and work for me, please. Alright, you can see Blue Recorder recording. I'm going to drag it off. And open up Steam. I hate Pop, guys. this interface, this distro's bad. The interface is nice. However, the interface lags. It just doesn't work well. There's plenty of other issues with this. I'm going to show you quite a few of them. So I have Retro Rewind installed on Pop OS. Yeah. You guys know what I mean, okay? I don't have it installed into Pop OS. It's installed with Pop OS. But it's not there. This happens every single freaking time with Pop. I've only been running Pop for about a week. It's on my 4th day with Pop OS actually being on it. I don't need to install it. I'm just going to do this. Go to Add Drive. Go here. Go Open. Go here. Go Add. Add. Bam! This is really, really annoying, guys. And I'm not gonna look up how to fix it. This shouldn't be an issue, guys. This just shouldn't. You guys should just try to get Pop working. If you're one of the remakers, I do not like it. You guys have got a lot of work to do. A point they could make is the hardware that I'm running on is not made for a laptop. It's not. I mean, it's an i9 1300K. It's a 4090, 32 gigs of 6800, Gen 5 SSD, 1000 watt power supply. It's a powerful computer, but this shouldn't be an issue. Because if it's an issue on here, I guarantee it's going to be an issue on my laptop. And I'm not going to be dealing with it on my laptop because that's my only Windows. And I need a Windows for my wife's PC. Or Mac. Ah! I don't like Mac. Sorry about that. But I have TCG Card Shop Simulator on here too. Guess what? It's not installed, even though it shows it in freaking on the applications on Cosmic Applications application. Yeah. I don't like Pop, guys. It's been a terrible distro for me. Another issue I've been having is every time the computer actually locks, it doesn't fall asleep. It just locks. Okay, that's not a big issue. Kind of is. Because my keyboard, my mouse don't work. None of that works. It's got like a 35-second delay before anything types. The mouse is gone. A mouse appears once in a blue moon on the lock screen. When I restart it, it works. That's fine. But when it locks, when it locks from being idle, it doesn't work. I don't like Pop.
it doesn't really work all that well. They've got a lot to do. Um, Now, I would be using Ubuntu, but I can't keep. So you saw that rant I just did, right? And how it showed you everything on the computer. Guess what? I use Blue Recorder. I've actually used Blue Recorder. I know it works. However, guess what? It only saved a few seconds worth of video. Pop! OS killed it. I hate this distro. Have a good day, guys. So, you know how I was telling you about that issue of my computer going to sleep and, you know, the whole issue of me having troubles? So, there's that. Yeah. That's one of the issues I have. I hate this distro, guys. Have a good one.